Do you want to make money online without leaving the comfort of your home? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple streams of income using the internet and just your phone. Whether you're a 9 to 5er, or you just need a side also to replace your 9 to 5, or you just want something doing without breaking the bank, this is for you. Let's dive in, guys. Hi guys, my name is Natasha. Just in case you are here for the first time, I know that making money from home or making money online is not only possible, but it's very, very necessary in today's world. There are plenty of opportunities online today, and I'm going to be breaking down the effective ones. Section 1, freelancing. One of the most straightforward way to make money online right now is freelancing. If you have any digital skills, whether it's writing, graphic designs, web development, or even social media management, there are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can offer your services. Nigerians are actually thriving all over the world on these platforms, and you can try to start by signing up and creating a very strong profile and offering services that are in demand. You have to search for that. If you are just starting out, offer a competitive price to build your portfolio and gather reviews. As your reputation grows, then you can increase your rates. It's just as simple as that. Then number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to earn money online lately. Like, this is how it works. You promote your products or services from companies, and every time someone makes a purchase using your unique link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Jumia, Seller, and Amazon have affiliate programs where you can sign up for free without even lifting a finger. And another one is that create valuable content around the product that you want to sell, then promote it on your social media platforms like YouTube or Instagram. The more genuine your approach, the higher the chances of earning commission. Simple as that. Then number 3 is content creation and social media or YouTube. If you actually enjoy creating content, maybe on TikTok, you can become a source of income for you as a Nigerian influencer, because you can actually make money that attract lots of large audience. Once you build a following, brand will pay you to promote their own products for them, and you are able to pick a niche that you are passionate about, whether it's fashion, tech, social media management, whatever your niche is, comedy. Stay consistent with it, engage with your audience, and as your following grows, brand will start to take notice and they will reach out to you. Trust me. Then number 4 is e-commerce. Another excellent way to make money is by selling products online. You don't need a physical shop anymore. You don't have to pay your landlord or any other landlord. Platforms like Jumia, Seller, and even on Instagram, you can create a page in your own store. You can sell your fashion items, accessories, even up to your digital products or ebooks, courses. All of this can be sold on Instagram also. If you are just starting out and you don't have inventory, consider drop shipping. Yes, it allows you to sell products without physically handling the stock. The section 5 is online tutoring, sharing your knowledge. Do you have any expertise in any subject, whether it's English, math, or even a specific skill like digital marketing? You can actually earn money by tutoring online on online platforms like Udemy, like Coursera. Tutorial also allow you to create courses right there on their platform. Package your knowledge into course, and that's it. You can even use Zoom to teach them live. You target audience that has kids and all of that. Then section 6 is remote jobs. Work from home and work from anywhere. With remote jobs, it's becoming very popular, and you can work with international companies as a Nigerian that live in Nigeria. You can get jobs from Flex jobs, from LinkedIn. You can actually work as a tech support, content creator, so many other things. Tailor your CV to highlight the work skills that you're applying for. Communication, make sure that your communication skills are actually sharpened. This will make you stand out to employers. Then section 7 is cryptocurrency and forex trading. For some people, they have, like, if you have capital to invest in and you have money that is just laying there, but there's a warning: high risk. This is like a high risk venture. You have to research properly before you put your money in cryptocurrency and all of that. Platforms like Binance are places where you can actually invest your money, and also please only invest the money that if you lose it, it doesn't make any difference to you. Then There are countless ways to make money online, and these are like just a few that I could come up on top of my head. The key is to get started, stay consistent, and adapt as the digital landscape evolves all of the time. Remember, the online space is always evolving. It takes time and effort to grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and how to become a virtual assistant, and leave a comment below any question that you have. Let's help each other grow. Don't wait, pick one of these methods and start your online money making journey today. You've got this. See you guys until next video. Bye guys.